First 3 months of 2017 have been really positive, both in retail, leisure, offices and industrial sectors. We've seen a lot of business confidence and a lot of deals being struck. Here at Hughes Ellard we've had some fantastic deals at Lakeside. We've had Electro Recruitment sign up to 4,500 square foot there, and also Tibco, an existing occupier, signing up to a 2,500 square foot office suite. We've also had over at Botley Grange, Pure Gyms commit to a 2,500 square foot office suite and pay £20 per square foot, and Gleeds have moved from Chalmers back to Botley Grange, also committing to a 10-year lease on a 3,500 square foot office suite. Take-up figures over the last 3 months have been good. We're slightly under the same time of year for last year for offices, but there's a lot of deals in hand and we'll soon catch up very quickly, and we are on track for the average annual take-up of 300,000 square foot per annum. Industrial is pretty much the same, and retail and leisure is also the same. Those last two sectors still struggling with a lack of stock and supply, which is hindering deals being struck. The last 3 months we've seen a couple of launches of new speculatively constructed industrial schemes, one in Test Lane, Southampton, and one in School Lane, Chalmers. Both developers are launching these schemes, although they are under construction and we won't see the buildings physically being available until the end of the year, moving into 2018. The areas that we've seen a lot of growth in has been in shopping centres, retail sectors, with the leisure market, restaurants and cafes. Watermark at West Quay being a fantastic example with 21 new restaurants. We've also seen the office sector really booming. We've seen rental growth over the last 3 months, hitting £20 per square foot in locations such as Lakeside, Botley Grange Hedge End and Southampton City Centre. Sadly for the office sector, we're not seeing any signs of new speculative office development, with the exception of Winchester at Chilcombe Park, where our client has started construction owing to an overwhelming demand for offices around Winchester. But Southampton and the rest of the corridor, we're predominantly reliant on existing buildings being refurbished for offices, as long as they're not being converted to residential, which is still a strong influence. There's a lot of talk about Brexit at the moment, but at the current time we're seeing commercial property being a strong and secure investment opportunity, producing investment yields from 6 to 10% in some locations, and there still seems to be a real appetite to invest in bricks and mortar. My big concern is this lack of supply for offices and industrial and indeed prime retail. We really do need development to occur, but the good news is that investors and developers are recognising this, and like many other parts of the country, particularly around London, that they are looking to proactively develop on site.